How to fly your WL Toys V911. The WL Toys V911. This is a standard radio. On switch, it'll beep and it'll tell you how much power it has. It's 4-channel and has two different modes. It has mode 1, which shows up here, is going to be hard to see, and that's mode 2. You definitely don't want mode 2 because mode 2 is the helicopter is very twitchy. Basic controls: forward, backwards, left, right. The helicopter will move forward, backwards, left, and right. This is the power. As you come up, the helicopter will start to climb. You see the power display there. As you come down on the power display, the helicopter will descend. The other feature that I have to show you, this is the most important. This controls the tail. This is how you actually steer it when it's flying. You move the tail left and right and the helicopter will turn. So I'm going to show you again the different features. As you see, as the helicopter is sitting down, you'll turn to the right. The tail will go to the right. You'll turn to the left. The tail will go to the left. Bring up the power. You'll see the rotor blades start to turn. Once the helicopter is in flight, forward flight is up on the stick, reverse back on the stick, left to move the helicopter sideways, right to move the helicopter to the right. Now, just one more thing. If you're in flight, you're going to bring the left stick up, get to about here, the helicopter is going to start to fly. You're going to go forward on the right stick, the helicopter will start to move forward. As the helicopter moves towards an object you want to turn, you're not turning this stick. You're going to move this to the right. It'll bring the tail around to the right. If you want to move it to the left, you can bring it to the left. But this is how you're going to steer the helicopter once it's flying. This is what you're going to use to make it go forward. If at any point it's getting too fast, if you release the stick, then the helicopter will stay hovered. This control on your left is your most important because this is what's going to control how high it goes. So your power is here. You're going to be gradually adding power, reducing power, and to land you slowly back down on the power. One last thing, this is a digital radio, meaning it sends out a digital signal to a digital servo. What that means is if you make very slight movements on the controls, it'll correspond to very slight movements on the servos. The old radio control, you touch it and it goes to full deflection and then back. Full deflection and back. This helicopter doesn't work that way. So the more gradual you push forward is the slower it'll go. If you want to really go fast, you slam it forward and pray that you know what you're doing. Thank you very much.